Have you ever wondered where people's money grows every day? Welcome. Today we're diving into the exciting world of the stock market. The stock market can seem confusing. Many think it's just for millionaires, but actually anyone can participate. Let's break it down. The stock market is like a giant store. The products here are shares of companies. When you buy a share, you own a tiny piece of that company. Companies need money to grow. They sell shares to raise this money. When you buy a share, you help the company and invest in its future. As companies grow, their value increases. If their profits rise, the value of your shares can go up too. Now, it's important to know there are different markets. The primary market is where companies first sell shares. Then there's the secondary market where people trade shares amongst themselves. Let's think about pizza. Imagine a new pizza place opens. First, they sell slices to friends. That's the primary market. Later, if friends sell slices to each other, that's the secondary market. You may also hear about stock indices. These are groups of stocks that show how the market is performing. The S&P 500 and the Dow Jones are popular indices. They help investors understand market trends. Here's a surprising fact. Did you know that investing in the stock market has historically beaten inflation? This means your money can grow instead of losing value. But investing does come with risks. Companies can go down in value. It's crucial to research before investing. Let's say you love a tech company. Before buying shares, check how they're performing. Look at their profits and future plans. This way, you minimize risks. Diversification is key. This means spreading investments across various companies. If one company struggles, others might succeed. This can protect your money. Story time. Many successful investors started with small sums. They learned, faced ups and downs, and grew their investments over time. A great example is Warren Buffett. He started investing as a teenager and now is one of the richest. He believed in patience and learning. To summarize, the stock market is a space to buy and sell company shares. Understanding it is key to growing your money. Always research, diversify, and think long-term. Are you ready to dive into the stock market? Start by learning and exploring. Choose one company you admire and learn about it. Take your first step today. Subscribe for more insights and tips on investing. Together, let's unlock the secrets of the stock market.